Tinatayang nasa mahigit 8.5 million pesos na halaga ng liquid cocaine ang nasabat mula sa isang Colombian national sa isang controlled delivery operation bandang alas 9:30 ng gabi sa lungsod ng Makati, Kamakalawa. Kinilala ni Agent Paulo Rodriguez ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency Region 3 ang suspect na si alias Antonio Cordero, 32 anyos, isang Colombian national residente sa isang condominium sa Yacal Street, Barangay San Antonio, Makati City. Ang parcel na naglalaman ng mga prohibited substance ay dumating sa Port of Clark noong ika-21 ng Hunyo. Ayon sa PDEA Region 3, ang pagkatuklas ng likidong cocaine ay nag-udyok sa PDEA at Bureau of Customs na maglunsad ng controlled delivery operation na nakatarget sa consignee sa Makati City. Na-recover mula sa suspect ang isang brown box na naglalaman ng tinatayang 1,350 grams ng 3 plastic bottle container na ang bawat isa ay naglalaman ng liquid cocaine, 2 identification card at isang cellular phone. Ang operasyon ay sinagawa ng PDEA Central Luzon, PDEA Intelligence Section, PDEA NCR, Bureau of Customs, Port of Clark, PNP Aviation Security Group 3, Makati Station Drug Enforcement Unit at Makati City Police Station.
Sa information galing sa China Customs. So then na-detect ng BOC natin sa Clark, Bureau of Customs. Then upon checking, so tinawag, nagpag-coordinate sila sa PDEA. Then we conduct interdiction operation. So after noon, kumuha kami ng konting sample, tinest namin sa laboratory, that yielded positive result of liquid cocaine.
So nasa magkano po yung street value niya, sir?
So sa estimated value is 8,522,400.
Kaya dito ka all these people are police Sorry, mamarka ako ito ulit, no? Ano magiging
siya. Kung may plastic man tayo mamaya, one bundle. So, ginawa ko yun sa akin sa mga difference.
If you don't have a lawyer, you can afford to have both attorneys. One will be provided by the government. Two different. I feel need to have a lawyer before calling my Can I call my family before? If I don't have lawyer, can I call my family? So you want to you can inform your family. Bibigyan naman din yan. Para yung sa arrival. Yes, sir. Baga, pagsamantala, medical assistance. Arrival na, ibay.
Paano to? Tama to? Sana to? Assorted din.
Isang brand. Kung may malaki pa yan, hindi ko malaki
Based on the laboratory sample, we taken sample of this, and it resulted that it came out that it contains liquid cocaine. So you are under arrest.
Brother, do you understand English language? Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Brother, you are under arrest for violation of Republic Act 9165. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. If you can, you have the right to an attorney. To have an attorney. If you cannot afford, one will be provided for you. Do you understand the right I have just read to you?
Isang non-bailable offense sa ilalim ng Section 4 o Importation of Dangerous Drugs ng Republic Act 9165 ang isinampa laban sa nadakip na suspect na itinangging pag-aari niya ang nasabing parcel.
Sir, do you want to speak?
Is this yours?
It's not mine. This is not mine. Okay, thank you.